Howdy, and welcome to a demonstration of TQA Cloud. TQA Cloud is a custom software platform developed by Texas Quality Assurance. The goal of TQA Cloud is to simplify your quality management system. See, I used to be a quality manager. In my time as a quality manager, I found that the way of doing things is typically with Excel spreadsheets, network file shares, maybe even filing forms and records in duplicate and triplicate. And it gets the job done, but let's be honest. It's not easy, it wastes time, and it's anything but simple. So that's where TQA Cloud comes in. So I'll just give you a brief demonstration of some of the tools we have available to us today. So every deployment of TQA Cloud, mind you, is highly customized to the unique needs of the business, of the process, and of the people there. But this is kind of where we start. So everything begins with doc control. Doc control, we can have as many document libraries as we need. And in these document libraries, we are able to perfectly track and trend and store all of your documentation needs. Automatic versioning, version history, as well as indexing on as many parameters as you require. Our goal is that you can find anything you're looking for in 4 clicks or less. But we'll move on for a moment. Talk about QMS records. We've got virtually everything in here you need. A task list to keep everyone up to date, your approved supplier list, non-conformance reports, corrective action reports, you name it, we either have it or we can build it for you. So let's take a look at corrective action reports for a moment. Corrective action reports, for me, in the past, used to be a real sore spot. I used to spend, probably 4 or 5 hours a week just trying to get people to sign off on their corrective actions. Well, with a simple, easy-to-use automated system, that can honestly be about 10, 20, at most 30 minutes a week to keep up to date. So we've got automatic reminders in here. When your action is coming up due soon, just start getting an email for it. When it's overdue, you'll get an email, so will your manager. Also, we have some neat features built in. So we'll just open up one of these. And we have a wonderful field here called follow-up comments. So in follow-up comments, we have the option to send an email directly to the person responsible. And simply by making an edit to the follow-up comments and saving the corrective action, they'll automatically get an email with your notes right away. Now you might be thinking that's not so special, but think about how long it takes for you to craft an email. You have to get the car number, you have to get the customer, the purchase order number, and then you'd like to give them a copy of it. Well, this does it all for you. Sends it an automatic email with a hyperlink directly to the issue. But we'll move on. Competence and training. This used to be one of my largest headaches. The fact is, it's hard to keep up to date with training requirements. Folks miss trainings during their orientation. Folks are absent when you do the annual retrain. And you wind up with holes and gaps in your system that inevitably are found during the audit. So what we have is a simple training matrix, the training library. The training library hosts all of our training. Each folder can host all the materials. We identify the interval that we want to retrain on and the departments or job duties that's required for. Then we go in. We have some training records. Punch in the names of the folks that took the training. Move on, and this is what most of y'all probably have, but we take it one step further. Created the required training report. Required training report, with one click, will show you every training deficiency in your organization. Perhaps you want to look up by training? Well, it appears we have a few people that need trained here. So we'll look in sales and marketing, and we got 2 folks here that need some training. We can even move on, tracking production records. Keeping everything secure, organized, simple, easy to use. And the beautiful thing about this is this makes it available to your remote users, not just the folks at your home office. All of this is web enabled and can be synchronized to your local system. So even when you're offline, you can still work, and it'll synchronize itself when you get back to the office. Thank you for your time. We will have other demonstrations available of more specific features and more details to come. Thank you.